In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your serpentine belt on your Kia Soul. It's located on the engine on the passenger side. Using a 12mm socket, we're going to loosen this bolt, and then we're going to go to this bolt, and we're going to loosen this as well. This one's also a 12mm socket. As we loosen this, the serpentine belt is going to loosen as well, because this alternator is going to go forward. I'm going to tighten this one up a tiny bit. If you see this square thing wiggling too much, it's too loose. So you want to apply pressure as you're loosening it. If you find that your bolt is coming away from this bracket, you're going to want to have to tap it here. You can use a pry bar underneath this bolt. Make sure you don't hit the threads on the bolt, and just tap down gently. Check to see where you're at as far as the looseness on the belt. Looks like we need to loosen it a little bit more. All right, we got it to move. Now you're going to look directly below the alternator, down here. So this pulley here with the rounded edge is where you're going to take the belt off. You want to slide it off in the back. Now you're going to pull the belt out. Now we're going to put our serpentine belt on. Begin by inserting your serpentine belt down through past the alternator, and the goal is to get the belt on the bottom pulleys. Get the serpentine belt on the bottom pulleys first. Once you see that you're on, you're going to pull up on the belt, create some tension, and as you push the belt towards that middle pulley where we took the belt off of first, you're going to keep it around the alternator and push it onto that pulley. Make sure it doesn't fall off the bottom pulleys as you do so. It may take a couple times. You may have to resituate a few times to get it right. Just be patient. Once you get that belt all the way on, make sure you check your work. Make sure it's not on halfway on any of the pulleys, and if it is, just push it on past the lip. So now we're going to tighten up our serpentine belt. We're just going to tighten this bolt up, and then we're going to keep checking our belt. We're going to twist it. If you can twist it too much, it needs more. If you twist it and you can't even twist it at all, it's too much. So you kind of want to be an in-between, so you want to twist it basically like halfway. So let's take a check. I'm going to go a tiny bit more. Do one more final check. Once you're satisfied with the amount of tension, you're going to tighten this down. Now we're going to torque this to 20 foot-pounds and lock it down. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.